When we think about Gen AI, it's more like ChatGPT. So like today's workshop is mostly about like using ChatGPT and then using prompt engineering, basically asking the right questions. I think it's more like awareness for NCS because like Singapore Design Week is not always like something people will relate NCS to. When people think about NCS, it's more like a technology company. NCS also can do design. We are also very involved in this design scene. We are very young, very hip, exciting and creative people as well. Designers can actually use generative AI in a lot of very creative ways. Do not have to be limited to the tools that is just like ChatGPT or Leonardo AI or Midjourney. There's a lot of things out there that people can explore, experiment, and really apply to the work that they do.
So I guess you shouldn't be so fearful of Gen AI. It's more to empower your everyday workflow, increase your efficiency, productivity, as well as your quality of your work.